Hello, this is Ivailov team, and today we make you basic instructions of our new generation of automatic decoders. This is HU64 Mercedes-Benz decoder. From the outside is not so much difference, but from the inside we make some very significant changes with this one. One major difference is that the pins, they are round, and the older one, they were quadra. But the way of opening is different with this one, and this is the purpose of this video. So we can start with the resetting. We have 5 pins from this side and 5 on this side. Okay, one big difference is with the new generation you don't have to do this. Not only this, but you must not do it if you want to open the lock correctly. This reset tool is perfectly calibrated, and the pins there pops out just a little bit as long as they should. So don't push them like this. When you reset it, you just go to the opening procedure. For the opening procedure, we must close the gate, turn this wheel all the way right, and now we must check which is the correct side. With the HU64, the gate don't pops out, so we just need to try. Choose one side, put it inside the lock, open the gate, give tension, and if this is free, if you don't feel any resistance here, so this is the wrong side. Because if this is the correct side, when you open the gate, you must give tension to the open side. With this lock is the left side. We must give lots of tension if we want to open quickly. Lots of tension, left side. And now I feel the resistance when I turn this wheel. Very high resistance because of the 10 plates inside the lock. I return this all the way and I release the tension. And I make this procedure as long as I should before the lock is open. We jiggle it like this to imprint the combination better, and now like we have a key from the lock. We go to the same position we started, close the gate, turn the back wheel all the way right, and extract. Now we can read the code. Like the older tools, we have 5 lines because with the HU64 we have 5 depths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if the pin is go all the way down, this is 5. If the pin is not moved at all, like this is 1. So you just check, this is the second line, this is 2, this is the 4th line, this is 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. This is second line, this is 2, and this is 1. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.